The old adage "a picture is worth 1,000 words" certainly rings true in the age of the smartphone, where everyone is able to snap a photo and share it for the world to see. The ability to capture images on the ground in Ukraine has undoubtedly changed how the conflict is being reported. On Tuesday, a Reuters' photo slideshow titled "Ukraine is becoming a scrap heap for Russian tanks" featured images of dozens of destroyed armored vehicles, rusting hulls, and blown-off turrets. The destroyed tanks have become a curiosity to locals, something for children to climb on, and most notably, something akin to trophies for Ukrainian soldiers to pose with. Such images are certainly a propaganda coup for the Ukrainians and a national embarrassment for Russia, as officials in the Kremlin likely expected the vehicles to roll down the streets of Kyiv and Kharkiv in victory parades. Instead, the tanks litter the Ukrainian countryside and remind us just how badly the war in Ukraine has gone for Russia. Many of those tanks have been destroyed with their turrets blown off the hulls due to the storage of ammunition within said turrets. It is a defect that Western militaries have been aware of for decades and was first discovered during the Gulf War with Iraqi T-72 main battle tanks, yet was apparently underestimated by the Russians. What we are witnessing with Russian tanks is a design flaw. Sam Bendit, an advisor with the Defense Research Group Center for Naval Analyses, told CNN earlier this month. Any successful hit quickly ignites the ammo, causing a massive explosion, and the turret is literally blown off. Ukrainian forces employing man-portable anti-tank weapons including the American FGM-148 Javelin, the British NLAW, and the Swedish Carl Gustaf have been responsible for most of Russia's casualties. However, on Wednesday, it was also reported that Ukraine's armed forces appeared to have used a British-made Brimstone missile for the first time in the conflict. Drone footage shared by a Ukrainian combat instructor showed two missiles strike military vehicles in quick succession, according to the UK's Daily Mail newspaper. The Brimstone had been adapted to be fired from small vehicles on the Ukrainian battlefield rather than used from warplanes, drones of naval ships, as it was initially designed. It is believed this is the first time the missiles have been fired from the ground in live combat. The 175,000 pounds, $215,000 United States dollars, Brimstone came into service in 2005, with an updated version supplied to the RAF 6 years ago. It is a fire-and-forget missile, one that can strike its target after being launched without further intervention, as it utilizes laser-seeking guidance or autonomous targeting. The Ukrainian military has claimed that Russia has lost 1,235 tanks, 3,009 armored fighting vehicles, 578 artillery systems, 198 multiple launch rocket systems, 90 anti-aircraft systems, 201 warplanes, 167 helicopters, 2,109 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, 13 vessels, 436 unmanned aerial vehicles, 43 units of special equipment and 97 cruise missiles. Russia launched its unprovoked and unwarranted invasion of Ukraine on February 24 in what the Kremlin is now calling a special military operation to protect Donbas. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.